is about attaching the straps to the bra bases that I make and sell on my website at www.createyourshine.com. I'm making this video because I got a few emails asking me to give a tutorial on how you're going to attach the straps to it. Since this bra is hard, it's a hard shell bra like the ones that you buy in Egypt or Turkey for your professional costumes. You can get a needle through it, but it's very, very difficult. So what I've done is place some anchor holes all around the edge, and you can't probably see it now, but when we do close-ups you can see it, with holes all around the edge so you can anchor something to the bra that you really want anchored in, such as your straps. But when you go to cover the bra, you won't need to use those anchors because the fabric that's covering this bra is anchored to the bra. So you can just sew it right directly onto the fabric that's covering this bra. However, you might want to anchor down your straps because those are really what's going to give you support. There's different types of straps you can add to the bra. The typical one you see is a strap like this that goes on the side, a back strap. This is usually made out of heavy-duty material, jeans, interfacing, buckram. I don't like using this type of material because it doesn't have any stretch. I know a lot of people don't like stretch in their costumes. However, whenever I make a costume and it's not specified that they want it to have no stretch, I always use a heavy-duty elastic. The reason why I do that is because when you're dancing, a lot of times we're using our breath to dance and do movements, and we're extending our body a lot, so our bust changes. You could be a 30 when you're just static, but when you start to inhale and exhale, you can change to a 33. So if you have no give and you have really stiff sides, that's my baby, if you have really stiff sides, when you extend, you might pop the hooks that's holding you together, and you can have a costume malfunction, which I've seen happen to me. I've seen happen to a lot of my friend dancers, where they're dancing, moving, and then the back of your back strap pops open because there was no give there. Also, if you don't make the bra really, really tight to your body, you can have gaps around the bottom, you can have gaps around the top here. So that's why I like to use elastic, so it pulls the bra to your body really, really tightly, really, really snug, so you don't have any gapes or gaps around the edge of your bra. So we're going to go on for a close-up, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach the elastic to the side, but I'll also attach one side like this just so you can see if this is what you prefer to use, and we'll be right back. Okay, now as you can see in a close-up, I have the holes marked clearly so you can see them that you're going to anchor your straps to all around the edge of the bra. Now I'm going to use elastic for my strap, but first I want to measure underneath my breast all the way around so we know how long we need the straps to be. So for me, that's a 30, but when I'm dancing and extending and breathing, I can go all the way out to like a 32, 33. So we're just going to make it a 34 so we can have a little bit of extra and extra straps to it. So first I want to measure the length of the bra because we need to take that out of our measurement. And this is about 11 inches. And I'm making my bra straps 34, so we're going to take 11 out of 34, and that leaves us with 23. So I'm going to be adding 23 inches of length on the straps, and that's going to be cut in half because I'm adding 2 straps. So let's make it 24, an even number, and we're going to cut that in half. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So each side of our strap is going to be 12 inches. So let's measure out 12 inches. 12. And another 12. So I'm going to attach the long pieces of the elastic to the bottom part of the bra here where the anchor holes are. And I like to use a heavy duty thread to do this. This is a crochet thread, I believe. And I use a large needle since the holes are large. In really well. I like the look of this strap with the top and the bottom. And I'm going to actually use my sewing machine to sew this part down to here so that it's more of a triangle shape. It's going wide, so I'm going to add another piece of elastic here, but just to tie this to this piece so it's kind of a triangle look on the side. So I'm going to just take another small piece of elastic and anchor it in here and then attach it to here like so. Okay, so I have both straps anchored in at top and the bottom. And I'm going to actually use my sewing machine to sew this part down to here. Next, I want to show you how you attach a bra strap that's shaped like this. It's just going to be basically the same thing. You're just going to attach it the whole length of the bra through the holes. Your next step will be to add the shoulder straps. You can use elastic, which is what I like to use. I'll just go on and add the elastic. Or you can use gross grain ribbons like this. It has no stretch in it. Again, you can make that decision whether you want it to have stretch or not. Of course, you want to use your tape measure and measure if you're doing over the shoulder straps or you're doing halter straps around the neck. You want to measure how long you want that to be. I'm doing halter top, so I'm doing it around the neck, so that's 26 inches, like so. So this will be 26 inches. Of course, you want to cut that in half again because you're doing two straps. So 26 and a half is 13. So each neck strap is going to be 13 inches long. Okay, after you finish attaching the side straps to either side of the bra, you're going to add 2 neck straps, and after that your next step will be to cover it in your fabric. I have already done a tutorial on how to cover the bra seamlessly in the fabric of your choice, so my next tutorial will be how to cover the bra in a halter top style. So stay tuned for that tutorial, and thanks for watching.